everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. This is day 13, the final day of the VLOGUST VEDA for my channel. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do something since it's my birthday. I am going to share with you how to put together a balloon arch. Alright? Wanted to do this for myself and celebrate all week long. Actually, I started last week. Y'all will see that in a later video. But I have a kit here, and I've already started putting it together. But I have the base, and it will help if I take the top off. But you need to put water in the base, so it'll make the arch stable. Alright, so that's what I'm doing here. You also need to choose some colors of the balloons that you want to use. I'm going to use, and I'm talking as I pour this in, I'm going to use the colors, my favorite colors, red of course, black, white, and gold. Alright, so I have my base filled with water, and I've already attached the poles, but I'm going to take a few of them off apart so you can see how it attaches. Alright, so my base will go on the floor, and as you can see here, I have my poles, which is like PVC pipe, already attached together. So this is the start. If it's falling apart. So that's the bottom pole. And I stick that in there, and this is the connectors of each pole. And you go as high as you want, alright? This kit I purchased from Amazon. And I plan on purchasing a few more because I love them. It's a very neat way to do an arch. You can do a total arch if you want, but I'm going to do it at a halfway point. And I'm doing it over my sofa table. Alright, so that you see it there. Now, to make it a little quicker, I have a balloon pump that I picked up from Walmart. I actually have two, but I like this one better. Just makes it really easy to get the balloons blown up quickly. Now I have a bag of balloons here. I have some here, and I have some more that I'm going to get, and we're going to get started. So let me move this out the way and start grabbing my balloons. Now you don't want to blow them up too big, but you do want them at different sizes. Now the hardest part of this is tying all of the balloons. So I'm probably going to blow up quite a bit. Because on each clip it holds 4. Alright. And I'm going to randomly do this, alright? I'm not going to do it in any type of pattern or whatever. I'm just going to randomly put these balloons on the clip. have some other red ones somewhere, and I don't know where I put them, so I'll save them for another event. Now the real problem that I'm running into right now is my nails. These are confetti balloons. You have to watch it because this confetti, it will get everywhere. But I do love to use them. So I won't keep you on here. I'll get these blown up and we'll move to the next thing, all right? So let me show you the clips. I don't know how good that is showing up on camera, but it has slots here. 4 slots, and you just feed the balloons through those slots. Just like that. And then you slide, once you get 4 balloons on here, you slide it on your piping, all right? So I have 4 on here of different colors. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this corner off. I'm gonna take that corner off, and I'm gonna slide these on here, and then when I get to the corner, I will continue, okay? I almost need my ladder, but it's working here. All right. Like so. Let me pull this out just a bit. So I will continue on and let you see how the progress goes, okay? And this is how it's coming along so far. I've done probably about 6, maybe. I might be off 1 or so. It's very, very easy to put together. Now what I'm doing is I'm blowing them up as I go because I don't want to over blow up balloons. So I'll probably get 1 more up top here, and then I'll start, whoop. So what will happen is I probably get 1 more set up top here, and then I'll put the elbow on and start going across here to a certain point, all right? Just wanted to show you how it is so far, all right? So I'm almost there. All right, I had to get my ladder so I can work on the top piece. All right, this is how it looks. A balloon tower. This can be made into an arch, but I chose not to use it as an entire arch. I just wanted it to go halfway, at a halfway point over my sofa table, all right? So right now I have one of my backdrop stands. I have 3 of these. I'm going to put a backdrop behind here. So I'm going to put this together and show you what I have. Now these backdrops are easy to put together. Takes no time at all. Alright guys, here it is. My backdrop for my 50th birthday. Am I having something special here at the house? No, but I wanted to do this for myself. Why not, right? Let me show you around the backdrop. Here's the balloons that I did as a balloon tower. My favorite colors, the reds, the whites, the golds, the blacks, and touches of silver. The backdrop itself I ordered from Amazon, which says happy 50th birthday. What I really love about it is the red roses. It has the gold, has the shimmer, has that diva shoes, diva pumps there. I also have balloons on the backdrop and some champagne glasses. How is that? Now this is my mirrored table covered up. I kept it simple. I draped it with a sequins tablecloth. Then I added my red candle holders that I picked up last year from Ross. Added some roses, which are faux, in a little gold vase. And my little Lazy Susan with red bling from Home Goods. And what I will do, I'll put my birthday cake on here, cut it, and celebrate with my family. And I just moved my chair from my dining room. I do have a red chair cover, but I did not feel like digging for it in my bins, my event bins. So I just moved my white, off-white chair from my dining room and draped this blanket. You guys know I love my lips. Christy C gave me this blanket, so I just threw it on the chair because it's one of my favorites. So guys, after all this work, I want to sit back and enjoy this. So I think I'm going to snap my fingers and see what happens, right? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well guys, that is the end of my VLOGUST VEDA. I've done 13 days of this vlogging and I have enjoyed every minute of it. If you should have happened, if you have missed any of the videos, I will have it linked above or above in the iCards. There will be a link to a playlist so you can enjoy every day for the past 13 days. I did this in celebration of my 50th birthday. I've had an amazing week. I've been celebrating since last week, and I'll be bringing you some footage of that. And actually I'm going to be celebrating all month long with family, because the month of August is filled with family members' birthdays, starting with my hubby. But anyway, thank you all so much. I am filming this on my actual date, the ending part anyway, and I have received so many birthday wishes, and I'm still reading through them. I haven't had the opportunity to comment to a lot of them, but I'm saying to you right now, thank you so much for all of my birthday wishes, all of the love that you are showing to me. I appreciate it so much. And matter of fact, I received something from one of my family members. I'm gonna shout her out right now, and I'll open it up later. Robin, I received your package on yesterday. Haven't opened it yet, but I did receive it. I know you watch every one of my videos. You are one of those faithful Diva family members, and I appreciate you so much. But without rambling on, I'm going to close this out. If you are not a part of the Diva family, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to push that subscribe button and become a part of it. We do lots of things here. We are a lifestyle channel, so we are into home decor, cooking, of course shopping, and so much more. When you decide to push that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload, because I upload videos every week, at least 3 times a week. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. Those links to those channels or those social media sites will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.